Here is a demonstration on how to use nephele to run a pipeline job using a dataset that was previously uploaded. From my Workspace menu option, select Start a new job. Proceed to select the desired pipeline from among the options for Pre-process, Analyze, and Explore sections. For this demo, we will choose the quality check pipeline for a paired end dataset. Let's click on the next blue button and proceed to select data for this job. It is possible to select a recently uploaded dataset, a subset of the dataset, or files generated from a previous pipeline as outputs. Click on Next to select the data files. nephele will remember the metadata associated with the files, but if needed, proceed to download and modify the existing mapping file. Next, let's provide a job description and enter pipeline parameters. The description will help you identify your jobs in the workspace. Each pipeline has a different set of parameters. In this case, let's use the quality trimming option. If you are satisfied with the values in the parameters, click Next to do a final review before submitting. Now it's time to submit. This quality check pipeline will run and will let us know via email and in the workspace when it's complete. Optionally, while running, view the log file to track progress. If needed, cancel the job using the X action. Explore the status by returning to My Jobs. View job details by opening the plus sign. Once the status say completed, proceed to View Results. There is an option to rerun the job and view the log file, but we will click the graph icon to view the job results page. The Statistics tab reminds us of the chosen parameters. The Reported Files gives us some output files to review. This page also gives us the option to download all results, but we will choose to explore outputs by clicking on the I square icon to view the multi-QC report.